Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the MSC-600 3-in-1 Cook Central 6-quart multi-cooker. This sleek silver appliance is your ultimate kitchen companion, offering the functionality of a slow cooker, a brown, saute feature, and a steamer all in one compact unit. Imagine the convenience of preparing a hearty stew, perfectly browning your meats, or steaming fresh vegetables with just a simple switch of settings. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals or entertaining guests, making it an essential tool for any home cook. Its intuitive controls and easy-to-clean design ensure that your cooking experience is as enjoyable as the delicious meals you create. Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, the MSC-600 transforms everyday cooking into a delightful experience. So, get ready to elevate your kitchen game and explore the endless possibilities with this all-in-one multi-cooker. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.